Alrighty, everybody, back out here, dyeing another shirt. Second and last shirt of the day. Just a quick little dyeing session because tomorrow we've got a big one coming up. We're going to be rinsing these out and dyeing at least 5 shirts, maybe more. All various sizes, which will be rather interesting. Been soaking in our sodium carbonate for 30 minutes. Gonna twist it up, throw a color on it. What design you planning for this one?
Why don't we do a bullseye?
A bullseye? Okay.
Why not?
I guess we already got a spiral, so
Yeah.
why not a bullseye? The 5 we're doing tomorrow is a custom order too. They're going to be the black hole cosmic one that I like so much. Either my favorite or second favorite, depending on the day.
I'm gonna get more rubber bands.
Check out the Etsy store if you want to tie-dye yourself. We are now selling ready-to-roll tie-dye kits. All you need is a shirt and something to soak it in. We give you everything you need to do it at a reasonable price. Check that out. Shameless plug.
We might even consider selling shirts for like $5 a piece or something.
Yeah, we'll think about it. And if the demand's there for a kit with shirts, maybe we'll do that. But we were just trying to keep the cost down, and we figured people could get, you know, most people are going to want to dye their own shirts anyway, so this way it keeps the cost nice and low, and you can dye whatever you want. And the amount of dye that comes in it is enough to dye a lot more than one shirt. So you could probably dye 4 shirts if I had to say. Definitely with the 5 bottle kit, you could dye 4 to 6 shirts for sure. With the 3 bottle kit, I bet you could dye 4 shirts. So we got a nice bullseye pattern here.
With a kind of scrunch bottom.
A semi-scrunch.
That was what I was going for. I don't know if that's how it's going to come out.
Thinking on the fly. That's what we do. It'll look good no matter what, though.
You always have faith in me.
Of course.
Okay. So.
I say no mistakes, only last minute alterations. Dyeing rack.
Let's do sky blue.
Sky blue. Get a good shake in it. Very beautiful. Beautiful. What you planning next there? Baby blue?
Yeah, some baby blue.
Baby blue. Sorry for all the background noise, people. The roadway seems to really be ripping and running today. Maybe it's because the fair's in town and whatnot. Who knows? Some turquoise. Turquoise. Ooh. That wouldn't have been good. Although I'm sure it would have made something unique. Yeah, everyone thinks and saying, you know, you're killing the environment. We do not drop our dye straight onto the ground at any point in time. All this is filtered before it's returned to the water table. It is literally cleaner than when we get it, when we send it back. Less parts per million. And a lot of people are concerned about waste of water. We live in a place where it literally runs out of the ground 365 days a year. You can't stop it if you try. We're in walking distance to a very large river. Water is very plentiful where we are. And if you knew just how much water it takes to manufacture, let's say, the bag that the chips come in, you would be astonished. It's a lot more than we're using. We got some lavender on there. So far you got, and that is glacier blue, right?
Yes, this is glacier. Yeah.
So we got sky.
Yeah, we did sky, baby blue, turquoise, lavender. This is glacier. I just put on there. And I'll throw
A little bit more of the turquoise.
what I'm thinking.
Make a nice scrunch pattern.
And then maybe top it all off with some
Additional lav. You got a giant white chunk over here, you know. Okay. I didn't know if you could see it. That looks really cool. I like that blend though, you know, the turquoise, the like a baby or glacier blue, and then the lavender. We've got some onesies that were done in that, and they look really good. So what is that? Baby blue?
this is baby blue.
Polish it all off with. We're feeling blue today, people. Colors, that is. We're very happy. We just feel like dyeing some stuff blue. A little more lavender. Sprinkle on the last little bit of turquoise. Use up that bottle. Good, mama. Looking good.
And maybe just a little bit more baby blue to fill in the gaps.
A little bit more what?
Baby blue.
Baby blue.
Fill in these little gaps.
Make it a solid color of blueness, solid fill of blueness.
Okay, hit that baby blue back up here again.
Brighten it up a little bit. And we'll wash this with some other blue shirts, so there won't be any white on this one. Whatever's white will definitely turn to blue. To the drying rack.
To the drying.
Top shelf premium, where it will sit for the next 24 hours till we're ready to wash it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.